Hey there viewers, The Bank Insider here. Welcome to this easy to follow tutorial on how to link your business account or any other account on the Standard Bank app. Whether you're a first timer or just need a refresher, this tutorial is designed to make the process super easy and stress-free. Let's get started.
Before you begin, ensure you have the latest version of the Standard Bank app installed from your app store. This ensures you have access to all the latest features. Step 1. Log in and navigate to your dashboard. Open the Standard Bank app and log in using your credentials. Tap More at the bottom right-hand corner. Select Dashboard from the menu. Step 2. Add a new profile. Tap Add New Profile on the dashboard screen. Choose the country where your Standard Bank accounts are held. Step 3. Link your accounts. Select the accounts you want to link or add. If linking bank accounts, enter your card number and ATM PIN. Tap Next at the top right-hand corner. Step 4. Verify with OTP. Choose your OTP delivery method, SMS, email, or in-app. Tap Next again. Step 5. Complete the process. Follow the OTP instructions to verify your accounts. Once verified, your linked accounts, including business accounts, will appear on your dashboard. Bonus tip: set a new EAP limit. Adjust your electronic account payment EAP limit for all linked accounts. Tap the account, update the limit, and confirm. You're done. Your Standard Bank accounts are now linked, and your dashboard is fully customized for seamless banking.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe for more user-friendly guides. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our next video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, this is the Bank Insider signing off.